What is up, my friends? I am back with the Black Beauty knockoff guitar. I do not recommend buying any of these counterfeit products, man, because somebody's going to get burnt down the road in the long run. Before I ever get rid of this, which you'll probably see a video of me doing it, I will end up taking this headstock and clearing it off, so there will no longer be any Gibson stuff on there. Alright, so here's some high gain stuff, which is my favorite with p90s. Here we go.